Our group's topic is research on employees' income. Firstly, I will give a brief introduction. Our research's background is follow. Monthly income is a topic that has always been of great interest and is of great importance to companies and employees. Compensation is not only the key to corporate retention, but it is also an essential component of employee labor monthly income. Various factors influence pay, and a comprehensive study is needed to understand the intrinsic relationships and changing trends to develop a sound pay policy. Okay, I will give our question, and then we answered in this research. The first question is, what is the elemental composition of the company's workforce? The second one is, what factors influence the monthly income of the company's employees? The last one is, forecast the monthly income of new employees. And why these questions are very essential? I think because it answer this question can promote employees' perceptions of the fairness and reasonableness of pay, and to provide a salary reference for job seekers and incumbents. And last, answer this question can promote career development in the industry. And I will explain our data collection. The data collection process is performed as follows. Firstly, we search the Kaggle dataset on site, such as employee compensation, and then we select the appropriate dataset. Then we download the dataset. Datasets were downloaded from the Kaggle website, and the data were very clean and processed. Lastly, we perform the data analysis.
Then it comes to the second part, the analysis of the data source. Firstly, I read the data from the file. You can see the code of this part on the top of this page. And then we show the structure of the data. It has 1,460 operations and 9 variables. They are education, age, department, overtime, work-life balance, year at company, job level, business travel, monthly income, and we choose the monthly income as the response variable and the rest variable as the explanatory variables. And then we make a summary of the response variable monthly income. You can see that its range is from 1,009 to about 20,000, and its median is 4,919. And then we use the pie chart and bar chart to analyze the 4 variables. The first variable is education, and firstly, I will introduce the meaning of its 5 levels. The first level represents the people below college, and the second level is the people at college. The third level represents the people have bachelor degree, and the fourth level represents the people has master degree. The fifth level represents the people have doctor degree. From the pie chart, we can see that the most employees have bachelor degree. few employees' degrees are below college. From the pie chart, we can see the major employees has a bachelor or master degrees. The second variable is job level, and firstly, I will introduce the meaning of its 5 levels. The first level represents the people at the primary position, and the second level represents the people at the second position, and the third level represents people at senior position, and the fourth level represents the people at fourth position, and the last level, fifth level represents the people at master position. From the bar chart and the pie chart, we can see that the number of employees with primary position and that with second position are similar and accounting for over 50%. Few employees' position are master position. The second variable is work-life balance, and firstly, I will introduce the meaning of 4 levels. The first level represents the people have heavy work, and the second level represents the people work little overtime. The third level represents people work never overtime, and the first level represents people have light work. From the bar chart and the pie chart, we can see that most employees are never work overtime and accounting for about over 50%. Few employees have heavy work and often work overtime. The fourth variable is department. People in this research mainly comes from 3 departments: human resources, search and development, and sales department. From the bar chart and the pie chart, we can see that most employees work in search and development department, accounting for over 50%. Few employees work in human resources department.
My name is Zhang Hanrui. Let me introduce the third part. Our group project is to predict the monthly income of employees based on the data collected. We chose to build a multiple regression model to predict. We set monthly income as the response variable and the remaining variables as the explanatory variables. Among them, education, work-life balance, and job level need to be changed from numerical variables to categorical variables using S-factor function. We set a significance level of 10%, and the results show that over time, travel frequency and work-life balance have no significant impact on income. Therefore, we chose to eliminate these variables. This is the G2 model. Then we need to check the model residues to test whether G2 meets the conditions of the multiple regression model. We can see that the residues are distributed symmetrically and tend to converge towards the middle of the graph. Also, they don't have clear patterns. From the normal quantile plot of residues, it can be seen that all the points are approximately located on a line. So G2 passes the conditions of a multiple regression model. Our exploratory analysis of G2 variables shows that education is highly correlated with job level. Then we conducted a consiliarity test with variance implication factor. VRF of education and job level were both greater than 5, indicating that these 2 variables were highly redundant. Let's remove one of these variables and create G3 and G4. We remove job level to create model G3. Then we remove education to create G4. Comparing G3 and G4, it can be seen that G3 and G4 are both significant models, and there is no consiliarity problem. However, the proportion of variation in the response variable explained by the regression model is higher in G4, up to 92.99%, and its residual standard variance is also lower. In the G4 model, monthly income is the response variable, while age, department, job level, and years at company are the explanatory variables. Therefore, we decided to use the G4 model for the following prediction. That's all my part. Thank you.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Zhen Yi, and I will present a prediction based on a final regression model. Mainly focus on how much we can earn after our graduation. As we can see that the graduation day is around the corner, and almost all students are busy looking jobs. Salary is a very critical consideration while selecting a job, as it's really related to the quality of life in the future. So we interviewed 2 OSCM students and recorded their basic information. And we can see from the screen that the first student is called student A and the second student called student B. The first one, the student A, is a fresh graduate, as she has no full-time work experience before, and her age is 23. Education level is master, and the job level is settled as 1. And the year at company is 0. And the working department she is interested in is sales. Then we took all the numbers into the regression model. We can get the result that the predicted monthly income for student A is about $2,800. And this prediction is very close compared to the actual offer she received recently. And the second, student B, has a 4-year working experience before admitted to the graduate studies. So his age is 27, and his education level is the same, a master. And the job level is 2, and his working department is related to sales. Then we took all the number into the regression model. We can see that the predicted monthly income for student B is nearly $5,200. And the forecast is very close to the actual wage he earned. Then we make a forecast of the salary of student A in the next 5 years. Assume that the job level will remain 1 during the year 0 to year 3, and then raise to 2 after year 3. The predicted monthly income plot during the year 0 to 05 is shown as below. And similarly, we can make a forecast for the salary of the student B in the next 5 years. We assume that the job level will remain 2 during the year 4 to 6, and then raise to 3 after year 6. So the predicted monthly income during the year 4 to 8 are shown as below. From the prediction, we can summarize that the job level has a significant impact on the monthly income. This matches with the result of of our regression model. And at this stage, the goal of the graduate is to find a job. But in the future, the easiest way to increase your salary is to keep learning the practical job skills and get promotion, which means that you have to raise your job level to get a higher pay. That's my part. Thank you.